Today's video is a spark plug change on a 2007 Ford Focus SES. You need, of course, spark plugs, 4 of them. These particular spark plugs on the box says do not use never sees and do not gap them. They have a little protective sleeve which is wrapped up around the end where you would normally check the gap. We have the coil packs on top. We're going to need an 8mm socket for right there at the end of that yellow. You got 1 bolt there, 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and 1 bolt here. 8mm. So we'll have to take that off, pull that out of the way, and that'll let us get to the spark plug. We're using a 5/8 inch socket for that. There's the 8mm socket and ratchet. A couple handy little things here. Magnetic trays to put nuts and bolts and screws in. Been raining off and on all day here in Oklahoma. It's good to have a garage to work in out of the rain. Here's 1 bolt for that one. A little rubber boot that goes on the end of this that goes down in here. There we go. It's just a little rubber boot there. And this rubber boot is going to, when your spark plug is down in the port like that, this rubber boot is going to fit down over the end of this. We're going to get that back like so. There's my little magnetic light. Okay. Spark plug is right down in that hole. And you can see there's the spark plug right down there. Had to find the extension for this. I would much rather have had a little shorter extension so that I wouldn't get that sideways action. I'm going to take this off here. That's the spark plug boot protector. We're going to put just a little bit on the threads, not very much, just down one side, and then we'll put it on the top part of the spark plug. And we want to make sure that we go in straight and level. Don't want to cross thread this thing. Hand tightened it there. This boot protector here, put just a dab of that in the hole there. Audible click or snap. Now we're going to take our 8mm bolt. I got spark plugs and I picked up a fuel filter because I'm sure that has to be changed. That's what you're going to do on these other 3. Let's go out and make sure the engine's still under there. It always starts and runs a little bit rough. That was the spark plug change on the 2007 Ford Focus SES.